Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks in Yahoo Finance. First, navigate to the Yahoo Finance platform, either on your computer or through its convenient mobile app. You will need to create a free Yahoo account to unlock personalized features and track your investments effectively. Crucially, you must link your existing brokerage account to Yahoo Finance. This connection enables you to execute trades directly from the platform, making your investment journey much smoother. Once your account is set up, it's time to research. Utilize the prominent search bar to locate specific company stocks using their unique ticker symbols. Dive into the detailed stock pages to analyze crucial financial metrics, such as the price-to-earnings ratio and market capitalization, which provide insights into a company's valuation. Additionally, review the latest news articles and expert analyses directly on Yahoo Finance to make well-informed investment decisions. After thorough research, you are ready to place an order. On the stock's detailed page, locate and click the Trade button, which will seamlessly connect you to your linked brokerage account. Here, you will specify your desired order type. For instance, a market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a maximum purchase price. Finally, enter the number of shares you wish to buy and confirm your transaction. With your purchase complete, Yahoo Finance becomes an invaluable tool for managing your investments. You can easily track your entire portfolio's performance in real time, observing gains or losses at a glance. Take advantage of custom alerts to receive notifications about significant price changes or breaking news related to your holdings. Regularly reviewing your investments and adjusting your strategy based on market conditions is a smart practice for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.